Hello friends, welcome to my channel Clinical Biochemistry with Dr. P.K. Prabhakar. Now Omicron is increasing at very high rate. So here I am going to differentiate their sign and symptoms between the Omicron, common flu, common cold, normal Delta virus and the flu. So my name is Dr. Pranab Kumar Prabhakar, and today we will talk about the difference in the symptoms of 4 different diseases. Okay, so how you can identify that what your COVID symptoms, or it is common flu, cold or flu, or it is Delta virus. So while the Omicron and Delta variants continue to derive COVID case globally, they are increasing very fast. Many of the symptoms are very similar to the typical cold and flu. Some differences appears to be emerging in cold COVID symptoms, varying according to the variants, common cold and influenza. So those informations we are going to use. It has been used by CDC, and they have make a tabular formats. Okay, like for so the initial symptom of Omicron infections are the same as the former COVID-19 infections, that is Delta. Since Omicron has been discovered in late 19 this November, and then it was considered as a variant of concern by WHO. Okay, and its rate is very fast transmission rate. That time, because it was first discovered in the South African country, and there on the basis of patient's symptoms, it has been told that it is very mild. It is not having too much strong symptoms as Delta is having. So people are normally going to be confused between the symptoms of Omicron variants, common cold or flu variants, or Delta variants. So what we will see, the common symptoms of Delta variant was, these are the common symptoms which was earlier we had, like fever, coughing, shortening of breath, chillness, repeated shaking with the chills, muscle pain, headache, sore throat, loss of taste and smell. This is one of the important symptom of Delta variant. Diarrhea, nausea and congestion of the or running nose. Now if you'll see, so we have 4 different things. One which symptoms of COVID-19 from the Delta, then we had symptoms from the Omicron, then flu and common cold. So the different variants of COVID-19 have shown different sets of symptoms. And why different COVID-19 variants have different sets of symptoms are because each variant which contains the different spike protein or mutated spike proteins, they affect our body differently. So that's why. So what are the symptoms of Omicron? So now according to the study conducted in United Kingdom, symptoms of Omicron infections are not that different from the Delta variants. Both Omicron and Delta causes symptoms like fever and chill, running nose, sore throat and body ache. However, this study also found that symptoms like loss of smell and taste might not occur in all persons with the Omicron infection. So loss of smell and taste was the mainly associated with the Delta and other variants, not with the Omicron. A study conducted by the researchers of the Norway studies outbreak of Omicron among the dozen of peoples in the Christmas party. They have found that only 12% people have lost their sense of smell, and only 24% have lost their both sense of taste and sense of smell. So symptoms is going to vary from variant to variant. And so now first Delta variant symptoms. Cough, commonly it is going to occur, and that will be dry cough. Running nose is common. Sneezing, no sneezing will be there in case of Delta variant. Sore throat, shortness of breath and fever will be common cause. Night sweetness is not there. Chillness will be there. Chillness is there. Headache will be there. Loss of smell is very common. That is one of the important symptoms. Fatigueness, tiredness will be there. And how long symptoms take to show up? 4 to 5 days. Similarly, if you go to Omicron, here roughly most of the symptoms are there. This cough less common. Then shortening of breath will not be there. Then night sweetness sometimes it may occur. Then loss of taste and smell, it is less common. It is not going to occur, and symptoms will be only for taking 2 to 3 days to occur. At the same time, flu, there common dry cough will be there. Sneezing is not there. Shortening of breath is not there like Delta. Night sweetness not there. Loss of taste and smell will not be there, and symptoms takes 2 days typically, but it might possible 1 to 4 days in case of flu, which is also causes influenza. Then common cold. Here normally coughing will be there, mild coughing will be there, shortening of breath no, fever may occur or may not occur. Then night sweetness or chillness will not be there, headache will not be there, loss of smell is not there, and symptoms may take 1 to 3 days. So I am going to compare all 4 in a similar same table. So Delta, Omicron, flu and cold. The first is coughing. In case of Delta, common dry cough, Omicron less common, flu common dry, and in case of cold, common mild. Running nose, common in case of Delta, Omicron or cold. Flu, in case of flu, sometimes it may be there. If you go to sneezing, sneezing is common one in case of Omicron and cold, but not in Delta and flu. Then sore throat, it is common in almost all the cases except flu, but sometimes flu occurs but not occasionally, commonly. Shortness of breath, it will occur only in the Delta, not in the Omicron, not in the flu, not in the cold, common cold. Then we are having fever. It is because whenever we are having any kind of infections, normally you should have fever or you will have fever. So fever commonly or less commonly or more commonly occurs along in every cases. Then night sweetness, it is only occur in case of sometime occurs in Omicron, but not in Delta, not in flu, not in cold. Now chillness, it is roughly because whenever you are having fever, you should have chillness, you should have feeling cold. So it is common in almost all the cases except common cold. Okay, where fever will be very short. Then headache, it is common in Delta, Omicron and flu, but not in cold. Loss of smell, it is very common in Delta, but not very common in Omicron, not occurring in flu and cold. So in case of this is one of the very important sign and symptoms of Delta and Omicron with the other. Fatigueness, it is common in almost all the cases except cold, there occurs, but sometimes it occurs but not very common symptoms. And the last symptom is how long symptoms will be there, that is in case of Delta 4 to 5 days, in case of Omicron 2 to 3 days, flu 2 days typically, but it can occur for 1 to 4 days possible also. In case of cold, common cold, that is 2 to 3 days. So these are the different comparative sign and symptoms of all the 4 different disorders. Now according to the these sign tables, you can find out which type of symptoms you may have, and you can do work accordingly. So this is all about for today. This is the some common important symptoms from that table only. So hope you have understand it. If you have any query, any comments, you can write in the comment box. If you like the video, press the like button. If you have not subscribed my channel, you can subscribe it. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.